हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। कैसे हैं आप जी? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप जहाँ भी होंगे मज़े में होंगे और खुश होंगे। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरे बैकग्राउंड में बहुत सारे बलून्स हैं। तो ये मेरे बच्चों ने आज अपने घर को डेकोरेट किया है मेरे आने से पहले, और जितना उनसे बन सका उन लोगों ने इसे किया। और यहाँ देखिए ये छोटा सा एक, यहाँ पे ये देखिए हैप्पी बर्थडे का भी उन लोगों ने एक यहाँ पे, ये आई थिंक आप देख सकते हैं, ये लगाया हुआ है उन लोगों ने। और बहुत सारे सुबह से लेकर वो लोग ना मेरे एब्सेंस में बलून ब्लो कर रहे थे, ये देखिए हर जगह पे। तो आज है मेरा बर्थडे और स्कूल में भी मैं गई थी। मैंने बहुत ही सिंपल ड्रेस पहना था, मतलब आई थॉट कि दे विल नॉट कम टू नो, तो इसलिए मैं चुपचाप ही थी वहाँ पर। बट द थिंग इज़ कि ना ऑफिस से फिर कॉल आया, शायद वहाँ पे इस तरह का है ट्रेडिशन की टीचर्स को बुलाकर एंड दे प्रेजेंट द कार्ड्स एंड स्वीट। Come, Sanvi.
Happy birthday, auntie.
Thank you, thank you. So you all are coming now?
Yes, auntie.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. So hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are good. And today I'm going to voice over in English because many of my students are going to come to my house to celebrate my birthday, and they actually had requested that ma'am please make your video in English because in their house their relatives and family members, they watch this video and they find it difficulty if it will be in Hindi. So that's why for this reason today I'm going to voice over in English, and totally this video is dedicated to my children, those who had come here, those who had wished me through WhatsApp, through call, whatever, because since morning I was getting a lot of calls, a lot of messages by the children, those who couldn't make it and those who couldn't come here, even they also sent the messages and call to me. And see, right now some few boys are also outside and they were feeling so shy. I don't know why, maybe in these lockdown time they have grown up a bit, so they were feeling a lot of shyness. So I went outside and called them, then please come inside. So I was a class teacher of these students, and suddenly I left the school. So still they have a kind of a connection with me, and I got very happy when any of my students comes, and whenever I meet them, they are just like a child to me. So here they all had come. Today is 29th January. That day I recorded this video, and they have brought this cake and another cake which I had shown earlier, that had been brought by my son. So now everybody have come here, and before cutting the cake, my children, they forced me to open a gift, and when I opened, I got a very beautiful golden earring, and they made me to wear then and there. They said, ma'am, along with your dress this will go very well. So just now I'm wearing because they're forcing me a lot. And apart from my student, many small kids from my flat apartment, they also have come and joined me because they're coming and wishing me. So I just said, please come and be a part of the celebration. So still I had not cut the cake, and right now I'm in the kitchen. I just wanted to cook something for them, so I thought better I should prepare puri and curry. For the curries I'm frying the onions. When I was doing so, everybody entered the kitchen and they started helping me out. So some were chopping the onions, some were cutting the potatoes, and few were also helping me in frying the curry. So they were doing very happily because it was for the first time they have entered my kitchen. Before that it was just a relationship of a teacher and student, but as for me also, I was feeling so glad that I got a chance to teach them in the kitchen how a mother does for the child. So they were very happy to see that.
See this guys how nicely playing Free Fire.
Miss, go and call that boys and miss. They're going. I'm here, man. Like it's right. He likes my screen. Yes.
So now the cake cutting is over and it's time to have our dinner. So for that, all the girls party, they're making small balls for the puri, and I'm in the kitchen along with one of my student. Her name is Meenakshi, and she was doing fabulous in making the puris, rolling the puris. I think she had a practice of doing that, and I was frying the puris. And once we did that, we all gathered together to have our dinner. To get Chandana? I know, I will video. So we all are sitting together and having our dinner in a single plate. Today actually we prepare puri and aloo matar ki sabzi, which came out super duper tasty. All the credit goes to my lovely students, my lovely daughters, who did it very well. I had just given the instructions to them, and right now few children are with me because many of them had gone back to their home. They're getting late. And if I say about the school, today's how was the experience in my school. So all the teachers, they wished me, and I got a very lovely, very beautiful greeting card from the office and a chocolate. And while coming from the school, I gave a small treat to everyone. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Miss, what have I cooked that also put it? My mother said that she'll become so happy, Miss. Miss, that you should put, Miss. All you should put.
These all are my children. Say hi. All of you say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. So these all are my children, and to whom I had taught last year. So they all have come to meet me on my birthday, and they said, "Ki ma'am, please speak in English because they find it difficulty. They can't understand."
For me only. For me also.
So say your name. What's your name?
Chandana. Meenakshi. Meghna.
One by one.
Chandana.
Chandana. Then Bhavani. Meghna, and then Meenakshi, and other children has gone because they are getting late. These children, they pay me.
Kavya,
Their parent has left them. Okay, they said whether you come or not, will not bother. That's why.
No, Miss Kavya, Nitya,
They all
John.
went. Many children had come. They all went. Okay, now they are also leaving. They all had their food here. We all had it nicely, and now they are about to move.
And the gift, Miss.
Gift afterwards I will open. तो यहाँ पे सारे मेरे बच्चे जा चुके हैं, और अभी मैंने दोबारा से केक कट किया है जो मेरा बेटा मेरे लेकर आया था, एंड ही वॉज वेटिंग ईगरली कि कब मम्मी उसके केक को कट करेगी। अभी मुझे उनके साथ भी यहाँ पे खाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जब जो बाकी बच्चे थे उनके साथ मैंने थोड़ा टेस्ट किया था, और अभी मुझे अपने बच्चों की खुशी के लिए भी थोड़ा बहुत खाना पड़ेगा। और यहाँ पे फारिया ने मुझे अब जाकर एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा ग्रीटिंग कार्ड प्रेजेंट किया है, जिसमें उसने मेरा बहुत ही पुराना एक पिक्चर जो है ना पेस्ट किया था। और ये देखिए, वो दिखा रही है कि सारा उसने जितने फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं ना उसकी पिक्चर बनाई है, और सेंटर में उसने खुशबू खाला माँ का पिक्चर बनाया है विद अ नाइस गाउन। और एक और उसने पिक्चर बनाया है, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी। यहाँ तो फ़िलहाल अभी मैं उसकी कोटेशन को पढ़ रही थी जहाँ पे बहुत सारे मिस्टेक्स किए हैं उसने, बट प्लीज़ इग्नोर दैट वन। और मैं आपको जाते जाते ये भी दिखाऊंगी कि मुझे स्कूल से कौन से ग्रीटिंग कार्ड मिली है। तो चलिए आज का वीडियो यहीं तक। आई होप कि आपको मेरा ये वीडियो ज़रूर पसंद आया होगा। पसंद आया हो तो उसे लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।